Hey y'all, welcome back to Dixie Customs. Today we're going to show you some car ramps that our friends from GARVEE sent us. We're going to demonstrate those for you. They're hydraulic and Thomas is going to show you how they work and tell you all about it.
They have a static height of a little over 9 inches and they would jack up to a little over 13 inches. They've got safety pins that locks them in place whenever you jack your vehicle or whatever you're working on up. You stick your pin through the hole and that stops it from having all the pressure on the jack. And it's grass cutting season, so they're ideal for lawnmowers, ATVs, UTVs. They'll pick up hold up vehicles up to 11,000 pounds, 5 tons, below 5 tons. And they're ideal for the yard, shop, garage, anywhere that you have a flat surface that supports the weight. So we're going to back the lawnmowers up on it and show you how to work.
I'll give you a close-up while he is pulling the lawnmower back here. Comes with the handles and it comes as a pair, and they're made of quality steel. So let's see how easy this is to use.
So if you're wanting to service it to change the oil, or if you're wanting to jack it up to replace the blades on it, and you simply make sure your pins are accessible for your safety pins. And before you jack anything up off the ground, I always shake it to make sure it's secure.
The ramps are textured, that way it helps whatever you're pulling up on there grip a little better.
And it's best if you jack one side up just a little bit and then jack the other side up. Don't try and jack one side up all the way at one time. When you get it up to your desired height, you just stick the safety pins through the holes, just like so. And then you move to the other side. And repeat the same process. And you stick your safety pins in, and there you have it. You're ready to work.
So y'all check the link out in the description, click on it, head over to GARVEE and pick up yours today, and don't forget to use the discount code to save some money on it.
And they would appreciate the business, and we would appreciate your purchasing. It helps the channel out.
Alright, well now that he's got the blades replaced on the lawnmower, we're going to let it down off of the car ramps here.
And it's just as simple as pulling the pins. And now you're ready to go mow grass again.
But that's how easy these are to use. So we appreciate GARVEE for sending them out to us. Y'all go check them out in the link below and use the discount code to get yours today.